Tuesday, March 28th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Some raindrops on the camera lens early this morning during the 5 o'clock hour there in our Greensboro Tower camera. As we've had this overnight batch of rain and thunderstorms gradually work on in, we'll take a peek at the Charlotte camera as well. And you can see those wet roadways down below. That's the overpass here, Moorhead Street at South Boulevard there, looking from the Dowd YMCA camera. Very mild this morning. Temperature, again, 5 o'clock hour. 59 there at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. Had a warm day yesterday for our Monday. Really an extremely nice day over much of the Carolinas and the Southeast as a whole. Those were your highs yesterday regionally. 70s across much of the Carolinas. Get down into South Carolina, and that's where you had the Midlands down into Georgia, some 80s. It was mid and upper 70s across the Triad viewing area. And by the way, I anticipate very similar highs across the region today. There's the Charlotte viewing area. Did clip 80 in Gastonia, 79 in Rock Hill and Lincolnton, even Boone at 70. 79 over in Wadesboro for a high as well. Temperatures this morning. Quiet stuff, but it is, I should say, mild stuff rather, but we have had this batch of rain and thunderstorms rolling through. So this is the radar over the past couple of hours as I cut the video. So this is really during the 3 and 4 o'clock hours early this morning. This batch of rain has continued to roll through with some embedded thunder and lightning. The storms have not been severe overnight. Again, just a little bit of gusty wind and some thunder and lightning, but nothing that's been terribly intense through the overnight hours. So this morning wave of activity moving through. Let me flip on the high-resolution computer modeling. There goes the morning wave of activity off to the east, and then we will watch for the development of some scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon as a cold front pushes into the region. I'm not terribly concerned about severe weather potential today in the Carolinas, much like yesterday, maybe one or two storms here or there that produce some hail or some wind, but shouldn't be a big widespread deal. Now, different scenario back into Texas and Oklahoma. That's our next system beginning to ramp up. More on that in a moment. So there you go. The cold front punching into the region today. As that moves in, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Behind the front, clear and quiet tonight. There's that next system taking shape off to the west of us as well. Highs today, really warm across the region. And again, tomorrow the weather looks really nice too. Here in the Carolinas, a very, very quiet weather setup tomorrow. Our highs once again, pretty warm. Now off to the west, there's that next system causing severe weather issues tomorrow. An enhanced risk of severe weather for much of Arkansas, northwestern Louisiana, and eastern parts of Texas. That system continues advancing eastward Thursday. Now, what we're going to see happen Thursday is high pressure wedge down the eastern side of the mountains. So Thursday looks cooler. There's our Thursday highs. A lot of Thursday probably dry. But then that system begins to roll in. There's the severe weather potential, that enhanced risk on Thursday and Thursday night, including places like Memphis and Jackson and Tupelo. Now, by Thursday night, that system begins to arrive. And so I think rain rolls in Thursday night. And I still think at this point, Friday is a very wet day. Rain, some embedded thunderstorms, and then the system is gone in time for a beautiful weekend. Saturday and Sunday look dry with good sunshine amounts and really comfortable temperatures, highs in the 70s. This is the rain on the European model with our current system, and then watch as we get into Friday. We added maybe another half to 1 inch plus in some spots during the day on Friday. Let me show you the higher resolution modeling here. This is the 500 millibar chart from the European model. This is today's system. Here is the next one. And there's that system swinging in here on Friday. And then another one right on its heels coming in here for Monday night or so of next week. So here we go on the GFS today. There's your scattering of showers and thunderstorms with the cold front. Tomorrow, very, very quiet. Thursday, cooler. There's that system organizing to the west. And the GFS is really aggressive with the rain amounts. It is the most wet computer model with the amounts of rain there Thursday night through Friday. And then, but again, even the GFS, this is Saturday's precipitation. We are rain-free. Sunday looks very nice. And then we await the arrival of the next system sometime there Monday night or Tuesday. So with that Friday system, there's the GFS rain totals just with the Friday system. You see some localized, pretty heavy amounts of rain mixed in here and there. The European not quite as aggressive, but again, there are some localized amounts. This is probably more accurate up toward the foothill regions, getting the heaviest rain totals Friday with that up glide type of flow on the southeasterly and southerly type of wind flow. So we'll see how that plays out. That image courtesy of Weather Bell, by the way. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.